Okay, so I tried to record this a couple times and it was just pissing me off a little bit too much, so here we are. I'm trying to get the bell housing off this stupid engine, and I've discovered that it's quite the pain in the ass. So I've got the 6 bell housing bolts that we're holding on, and it's loose. The inspection cover is dangling off the starter because it threads through it. And I've heard these are a huge bitch to get out if the clutch is really worn, and it seems to be the case. I've heard you're supposed to take this off, but I don't know if you can see. I've stripped it just a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. It's a 12 mil Allen key, and I just reefed on the bastard, and it didn't want to move. Really interesting. But I'm gonna put you on the floor over here with my light. Try to keep my arm out of the way. But yeah, like I had this giant Allen key in here, and it's obviously a little bigger than it once was now. I could pull the bell housing with the engine, but that's not what I want to do. I'd rather have as least amount of stuff in the back as I can. It does move, but not much. Unless there's something behind this I'm missing. No, that didn't do a damn thing for me. Excessive clutch disc wear may require loosening of the ball stud to disengage fork and bell housing. Okay, well I think I've realized that. The 6 mil Allen head socket ball stud locking screw is a counterclockwise turn to loosen is tightened to 10 foot-pounds. 6 mil? Where the fuck's the 6 mil? There's no way what I'm looking at is a... There's no way. Shoutouts to old school Allen key sets coming in bags where you have to sort through them all. Oh, that's a 6. Yeah, I know, 6 mil my ass. There's no plug in there. I don't know what you want from me. Oh, that ball is worn to hell too. Oh, this is gonna suck, isn't it? Son of a bitch, that is reverse thread. I've tried to move it both ways and it's stripped both ways, so that's not fun. 1991 ZF6 pivot. I can't type. Pivot ball. Oh, I should probably search Corvette ZF6. You do have to turn it to the right. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, because it's meant to go back in that way. Ooh, I might be screwed. It's a bitch to loosen up. Well, good to know, because I figured that part out already. Well, I'm gonna go grab a couple different 12 mils because I brought some from work. Now, some pages say lock stud, and some pages don't say lock stud. So what it is beyond me. I have with me, this is the Power Fist. It's Princess Auto brand up here in Canada. It's like Harbor Freight in the States, and that's what I was using. And I have my Snap-on 12 mil from work, which is it does seem like it's better sized, or at least more accurately sized, and it does fit a little better, but I'm not hopeful. Where's my 1/2 inch ratchet now? Hello? Okay, I'm gonna try some torch into the magnesium bell housing, which is flammable, by the way. And if it strips, I do have some other methods I'll try. It's probably not enough heat, but I don't want to get that magnesium too hot because I don't have the balls. Alright, is it gonna be strip central or what? Holy shit, dude. Put some bell housing bolts back in. I'm actually surprised there's as much room to get at all these bolts as there is. Okay, you're on your guide pins. Hold you. That's gonna fucking strip. I know it. That's pleasant to the ears right there. Oh my god. Put a breaker bar in there, but I don't trust it. So I guess what this is doing here is that ball stud is meant to thread in from this way, so it turns this way in. So if you loosen it from this direction, you're actually tightening it. So you're supposed to turn clockwise from this direction to loosen it back out that way, so you can get room for the shift fork. And that sucks, because I'm gonna get some more torch on that. Come on, lords, please. Oh no. Yeah. I do have this Torx bit that doesn't grab. I might be able to hammer the standard bit in there. Oh man. Please, no. That sucks a lot. I don't think I can get at that from the inside, can I? I bent a wrench, but I don't have any shitty wrenches. Oh, wait, hang on. Son of a bitch, did I just figure that out? That might have been stupid enough to... Yes! Oh my god, did that just work? Oh my god, was it that simple? Am I stupid? Don't answer that. Oh my god, I think I'm just absolutely dumb. Okay, that's as far as it'll go. I think if I pop that out, it'll come out now. He says hopefully. Please. Please tell me that cooperated. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, this is broken, I don't even care. Oh my god, what is up with that clutch? What kind of clutch is that? Oh my god, what is that? Okay, okay, that makes me so much happier. What am I leaning on? Oh, the spring. There's a spring that retains the throw-up bearing in there. Alright, bye. It's not a twin disc clutch, is it? There's no way. So, what was screwing with me here is this release bearing, which is in good shape actually, is it's a pull type release. So you push on the fork this way, and the fork is meant to pull this diaphragm spring out. All the transmissions I'm used to, the slave pushes this way, and the fork pushes this way onto the springs. So it's a pull type release. Enjoy in discovery with me, because I don't know what's going on here. This is new to me. Corvette parts, man. That clutch disc is really weird looking. Gonna have to pop off all those bolts and see, because that is weird looking to me. Lone S10 mechanic tries to figure out what a Corvette clutch looks like. So I'm just gonna pop off the, looks like 6 bolts around that for the clutch and see what the hell's going on here. Let's pop these off slow so I don't release all that spring too quick. Oh, look at all the clutch falling out of that. Ooh, this is toast. Oh my god, look at the dust coming out of that. Torched once seared. Just the... Okay, well, let's save this for after. Okay. Well, that is just a standard clutch disc. Yeah, oh my god. Well, it's just starting to wear the grooves off. I wouldn't run that for any length of time. Oh yeah, it's getting down to the rivets on this side. Yeah, she's toast. Yeah, this clutch is cooked. It is... yeah, there's some hot spots on it. Who am I kidding? There's no cracking though. That could be resurfaced. No, she's got wear, but it might be allowable. That's a giant ass flywheel though. Look at the thickness of that. Cool, well let's pop that off. You can see there is a little bit of hot spotting. Doesn't seem to be any cracks, so I think I can get away with resurfacing that. Let's check out this clutch. But it is just a standard clutch disc, nothing too special about that. Standard is in it not special, not standard as in manual. The pressure plate actually does have a little bit of wear, not bad. Oh my god, look at the dust. Oh, yeah, that clutch is toast. Alright, so the flywheel is just the last bit we're gonna get off here. Should just be the 6 bolts and she should pop out, and check out the back of the engine, see how that's doing. Let's go. Are you just gonna fall off and be nice or not? Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Doesn't seem to be a bunch of oil in there, which is good. Let's get the flywheel off there now. Oh my god. Okay, yep, that weighs a shit. Holy shit. Oh, I was not ready for that. Ridiculous. Okay. And the rear of the engine. Rear main looks to be in good shape. All the oil galleries are sealed. The head gaskets seem to be holding coolant, which is good because I need to sell this engine. The starter I'll have to disconnect at some point. But I think I'm done under here for now. So it's time to clean up, and I guess that's it for now.